This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fully apply the handbrake and chock the rear wheels. Using the special anti-theft wheel nut adapter from the toolkit where necessary, slacken the front right-hand wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the vehicle body chassis rails and raise the vehicle until the front wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the chassis rail and lower the jack. Fully slacken the retaining nuts and remove the road wheel. Undo the 3 screws and 1 nut, then remove the plastic tray beneath the radiator. Undo the screw at the rear of the wheel arch trims and carefully pull the trims away from the wing to release the clips. Remove the number plate, then undo the screw in the centre and the 2 screws below the outer edges of the number plate area. Undo the 3 screws at the top edge of the bumper. Where fitted, remove the shield from the air intake. With the help of an assistant, carefully withdraw the front bumper from the front of the car. With the engine cold, unscrew and remove the coolant expansion tank filler cap. Position a suitable container under the left-hand end of the radiator. Release the clamp, disconnect the lower hose from the radiator and allow the coolant to drain into the container. It may be necessary to pull the lower hose downward a little to aid draining. When the draining is complete, reconnect the lower hose to the radiator and secure it with the clip. Remove the container from under the vehicle. Manoeuvre the front bumper into place, not forgetting the shield in front of the air intake. Refit and tighten the 3 screws at the top edge of the bumper and the 3 in the number plate area. Press the wheel arch trim clips into place and secure the trim with the screws at the lower rear edge. Refit the plastic tray beneath the radiator and secure it in place with the various fasteners in the wheel arch area and along the front edge. Locate the road wheel over the mounting studs. Refit the retaining nuts and tighten them lightly. Raise the vehicle slightly, remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the road wheel nuts to the specified torque. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks. Fill the cooling system with a 50-50 mixture of the antifreeze and water until the level reaches the maximum mark on the side of the expansion tank. Refit the filler cap, then start the engine and allow it to run until it reaches normal operating temperature. Stop the engine, allow it to cool, then recheck the coolant level. Top up if necessary.